In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a savings account on Halifax. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to explore and create a savings account on the Halifax Bank. You can either do this process through the website, which is what I recommend, or the mobile app. The reason why I recommend that you follow this process through their website is because the website makes it super simple to see all the different accounts that they offer and compare the benefits. You have plenty of tables and contents that will allow you to compare each account to their counterparts. So all that you have to do on the website is to open the menu and in here select the savings option. When you select savings, you can browse through all of the saving accounts that they have and ISAs. For this video, I'm going to be showcasing savings accounts. You can see that they have easy access, fixed terms, kids, joint savings, and you have the option at the bottom to compare savings accounts. You might want to explore this first if you are unsure of what account you want to open. Like I mentioned in the beginning, in here you can select each specific account and see the different interest rates, the opening balance, the withdrawal rate, etc. You can easily compare everything here and see which option is best for you. I highly recommend that you take your own time and you find a specific account that is best suited for you. But all you have to do to actually create a savings account on Halifax after you select it is to tap on the account name or the title. So as you can see, when you open each specific account, the title will be highlighted. Tap the title and you will be redirected to the page of that specific account. Once again, you have all the eligibility, all the requirements, and all the benefits listed here if you want to go over them again. But all you have to do to actually open the account is scroll down and you will find this text: your new account is minutes away. Tap Open Now after you read through all of the instructions and this PDF file containing the terms and conditions, and as long as you select Open Now, you can answer a bunch of questions related to this form to open your account. You will be able to create a savings account on Halifax even if you aren't already their customer. So just answer these questions and follow through the screen as long as you have the necessary documents, and you will be able to register and apply. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a savings account in Halifax. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.